How much does a Sharp TV cost? The cost of a Sharp TV depends on the screen size, display technology, LED, QLED, or OLED, resolution, and smart features. Prices generally range from $150 for smaller models to over $1,500 for high-end 4K and OLED TVs. 1. Price of small-size Sharp TVs, 32 to 43 inches. Entry-level 32-inch Sharp LED TVs typically cost $150 to $250, while 43-inch models range from $250 to $350, $400. These models usually offer full HD or basic 4K resolution with built-in smart features. 2. Price of mid-size Sharp TVs, 50 to 55 inches. A 50-inch Sharp TV costs around $350 to $600, while a 55-inch model is priced between $400 and $600, $700. These TVs usually include 4K UHD resolution, HDR support, and smart TV capabilities. 3. Price of large Sharp TVs, 65 to 75 inches. A 65-inch Sharp TV typically costs $600 to $1,200, while a 75-inch model can range from $900 to $1,200, $1,500. Higher-end models in this size category may feature QLED panels, Dolby Vision, and high refresh rates. 4. Price of Sharp OLED and high-end models. Premium Sharp OLED and QLED TVs with advanced display technology and AI-powered smart features can cost $1,500 or more. These models provide superior picture quality and immersive viewing experiences. 5. Factors that affect Sharp TV prices. The price of a Sharp TV depends on factors such as screen size, display type, LED, QLED, OLED, resolution, Full HD, 4K, 8K, refresh rate, and additional smart features like voice control and gaming optimization. 6. Best time to buy a Sharp TV. Shopping during Black Friday, Cyber Monday, holiday sales, or clearance events can help you find discounted prices on Sharp TVs. Checking online retailers and store promotions may also provide better deals. Sharp TVs range from $150 for small LED models to over $1,500 for high-end 4K and OLED versions. Choosing the right model depends on your budget, screen size preference, and desired features.